We all know it's important to look after our bodies, but most people focus on the bits you can't see. But why not look fabulous, while staying healthy at the same time? When we know we look healthy, we'll feel healthy too. So stand out from the crowd, with our skin, hair, nails and bone kit. Our kit consists of 2 pots of Collagen Beauty Complex. Collagen is an important complex protein that provides structural integrity to key areas of your body. 1 pot of 35 Superfood Plus, to nourish your body with much needed vitamins and minerals. 1 pot of acerola cherry vitamin C, a must for a healthy immune system. 1 pot of Bone Vitality Complex. Only the highest grades of glucosamine and turmeric are used in this formula. With the right combination of proteins, enzymes and vitamins, you'll be glowing from head to toe. But don't take our word for it, here's what just some of our happy customers say. My skin and hair feel so good. I love all the ingredients. I got many compliments at work, and my husband noticed it too. My sister's hair is getting healthier and stronger day after day. Beautiful skin, hair and nails, I love this kit. Visit our online store to learn more.